In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade just one single package using the terminal in Ubuntu. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Before upgrading anything, it's a good idea to update your system's package list. Type this command, sudo apt-update. Then press Enter and type your password if asked. This will fetch the latest list of packages from Ubuntu servers. Now to upgrade just one package, use this command showing on the screen. Replace package name with the name of the software you want to update. For example, if I want to upgrade curl, I will type this command you can see on the screen. That's it. Ubuntu will only upgrade that specific package without touching anything else. And that's how you upgrade a single package using apt-get in Ubuntu. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple Linux tips. Thanks for watching.